Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to make you a promise today. I promise to only keep you a couple minutes because I understand you're tired of me going over these stories with you and you are a professional in answering questions at this point. But there's a couple words in this story that you may not know, and there's a little bit of word work I want us to look at, mainly because you're going to encounter your first 3-syllable word in this story. It's this long E word right here. But guess what? If you can break apart a 2-syllable word, it only takes a baby step to swap to breaking apart 3-syllable words. We're going to go through the same steps. We're going to look for things that we know we can't break apart. We're going to look for vowels. We're going to divide our word. Ready? All right. The first thing that jumps out at me is I have an R-controlled vowel. I know I can't break that apart. And I have a sneaky E. That means that this only counts as one vowel sound. So I've got an E, an ER, and a sneaky E. Sorry about the beeping. 1, 2, 3 vowel sounds. If I have 3 vowel sounds, I have 3 syllables. So if I'm looking at this word, I know I can't break ER up. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to divide here. That makes my first syllable X. X. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to divide between these 2 consonants. So X, but I'm not real sure what to do with that last syllable. Well, the first, I do have to notice that my I is running in, or my C is running into an I. So what's my C probably going to say? Exercise. Size. Ooh, that's hard to say. I is voiced. So guess what I think my S is going to say? Z. I is voiced, so S is voiced. Size. Exercise. Exercise. I'm pretty sure that word is exercise. So somebody in our story is going to exercise. So I also pulled this word, even though I know we've read it a bunch throughout the year, because there is an S in this word that we have to decide whether it's voiced or unvoiced. So, I have 2 vowels and a consonant. Usually we divide after our consonant. So, is, this, it, visit, visit. Ooh, I don't know what visit means. Well, I is voiced. So what does that mean about our S? It means our S is going to be voiced. So let's try it with a voiced S. Is visit. Visit. Oh, that's so much better. Our story today is called The Visit. I'm not going to read your story with you because, like I said, I know you're professionals at that. There are 3 words that I think you may need some help with. One of the words you're going to see is a noun, and it's a cove. A cove is a small area of ocean that's partly surrounded by land. So if we're at the beach, and the beach kind of goes in like this, and there's water, and you can walk all the way around, that's a cove. It's just a little part of water of the ocean that goes kind of in the land. You're also going to have a verb that's called wade. If you wade into the water, you're just kind of walking through shallow water. It's not above your knee. You're just kind of walking through the water. You wade in the water. The last one is another verb, and it's yelping. If you have a dog that's yelping, let me hear what kind of noise they're going to make. Yelping is a short, high-pitched noise. It's kind of like squealing. So we know a cove is a little piece of water that's surrounded by land. We can wade in water if we walk through shallow water. And if someone is yelping, they're making a high-pitched noise. So I think other than that, you are totally ready to go to read your story. How many times? You better have said 3. 3 times. And answer your questions. I did want to tell you, number 3 says, name 3 things Grace and Jill do with Gran. Please make sure that's a complete sentence. Grace and Jill will blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. Okay? Mom and Dad may want to help you with commas on this. Whoever helps with homework, if you want to show them how to add commas, you're welcome to. All right, I think you're ready. Go tackle the visit and show me what you can do. I love you, boys and girls. You're killing it.